The number one most important thing you need to do when getting back into bodybuilding or starting as a bodybuilder for the first time is get yourself to a state of feeling good. Because from that state of feeling good, meaning digestion's good, mental stress is low, sleep is good, overall energy is good, hunger cues are regulated, you don't have lots of joint pain, hormonally you're well, libido's good, all these factors. When that is at a good baseline state, you can now launch into any goal you want: muscle growth, fat loss, pushing PEDs, whatever it may be. It all needs to come from a baseline of feeling good. Now, this is going to be different for everybody. The timeline it takes to get there will be different for everybody. And even for you more intermediate and advanced lifters, if you want to go from good to great or great to elite, and you aren't feeling good for periods of time during your training, yes, when you push, you're going to get a little sluggish, maybe a little insulin resistant. These things tend to happen when you're pushing. But again, you can't keep pushing through periods of feeling like shit. You need to get to a state of feeling good. And when someone comes to me looking to take their training to the next level, whether they're intermediate and advanced or they're more beginners, the first thing I do is make sure we get them established at a baseline of feeling good. Now, you don't have to feel good to start. It can be something that you start to feel good because you're on a plan that is also, losing fat, for example. But the ultimate goal is to get you feeling good, get those hormones leveled out, whatever it may be. Lab work is looking tidy. And then from there, you start to push hard, more objectively towards the goal that you want. And then at the same time, make sure you are assessing subjectively and objectively as you start to deviate away from that feeling good state, and do everything you can to pull yourself back to it. So whether you're a beginner bodybuilder coming back into it after a long layoff, or you're trying to go from an intermediate to advanced level bodybuilder, you need to operate from a place of feeling good for as long as possible.